Have you ever wondered why it feels like every black woman you know has fibroids? You're not imagining it. The statistics are staggering. Hello, I'm Nina Lemtir, and today we're tackling a tough but vital question. Why are black women suffering more from uterine fibroids? It's a complex issue and there isn't one simple answer, but let's explore 5 key reasons researchers are investigating. First, genetics play a significant role. If your mother or sister has fibroids, your risk is much higher. Certain genetic variations that are more common in women of African descent appear to increase the likelihood of developing fibroids. Second, vitamin D deficiency. Our beautiful melanin-rich skin is fantastic, but it does make it harder for our bodies to produce vitamin D from sunlight. Studies have shown a strong link between low vitamin D levels and fibroid growth. Third, our environment. Research is exploring connections between fibroids and exposure to certain chemicals called endocrine disruptors. These can be found in some hair care products like relaxers and other personal care items that have historically been marketed heavily to black women. Fourth is chronic stress. Living with the constant, low-grade stress of racial discrimination can take a physical toll. This stress impacts your hormones and inflammation levels in the body, which may create an environment where fibroids can thrive. And fifth, and this one is so important, is our experience within the healthcare system. For far too long, black women's pain has been dismissed or normalized. This tragic reality means we are often diagnosed later when fibroids are larger, more numerous, and causing more severe symptoms. So what's the takeaway? It's not just one thing. It's a combination of genetics, health factors like vitamin D, environmental exposures, and systemic inequities. Your journey and your pain are valid. Please never accept period pain as just your lot in life. Always speak to your own clinician about your symptoms. If you found this helpful, please share it. The more we understand, the more we can advocate for ourselves and each other. Subscribe for more straight talk on fibroids.